People are dumb, panicky, dangerous animals, and you know it.
Is this thing working? We're so back. Let me call up my co-developer.
Nope. Goodbye.
Okay, bye. Well, that was fast.
Hello.
Are you done throwing a tantrum?
No, I had to have some fun. Hello.
Hello. Let's cook. We've been cooking today.
Dude, we have. And I don't know. I'm on my own branch right now because the fixes that I'm making are kind of like enormous. And it'll probably break a bunch of stuff. So you might eventually have to come in and work in this branch to help clean some stuff up.
I'm actually in my own branch right now.
What are you doing?
Well, it was well, I guess it's still kind of what I was doing anyways. I'm building kill cards. So like
Yeah.
people can customize their banner, they can get patches based on certain actions they do in the game. If they do like 300 ground pounds, they get a patch or something. And it'll be shown every time you get killed. I think you saw an example of it today.
Yeah, so it's actually it's like halfway live on dev, kind of. You know what? You could show the stream if we log into dev real quick.
Oh yeah, let me just do that. I'm an idiot and I don't know how to leave full screen.
Escape or F11.
We got him. Okay, so I'm in dev, and it just went down. Okay, we're back.
Yeah, what did you do? Oh, did you merge the shit? I didn't think we needed to merge it.
My
Your changes, yeah.
no.
Okay. Why did it go down then?
I don't know.
Huh. Weird. Okay, I guess we'll just try to reconnect. I'm gonna connect to dev. We're gonna go to Desert Pillars. All right, I am in Desert Pillars. The scoreboard is not loading properly.
It's not. Okay, let me check this. Okay.
What's up?
What part of it isn't loading properly?
When you joined, all the players loaded, but when I joined, because I was in the previous round and I chose the map, it didn't have my name or the bot's name. Yeah.
That's an interesting one.
Yeah. And so I think I wish we could adjust the game time right now. But if the round ends and you and I both like go on to the next map, I don't think it's going to show us in the scoreboard.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think
We'd
there's
have
a
to
way to
wait.
skip to the end of the round.
There is not. We don't have that cheat,
Okay.
which might be a good cheat one day. Oh,
Something I have been struggling with is making good patches.
yeah. I mean, did you make any recently besides the ones yesterday?
I generated them several times.
So, oh, patches like the
Like the badges, the badge things.
And so you're trying to generate them. What kind of file are they?
They are a PNG. It like they generate and it's fine. Like they're in game. Like you can go to your cosmetics menu and equip one.
Yeah.
The issue is they look terrible, and I have tried several times with Gemini, with ChatGPT, with DALL-E to try to generate
check.
them to look good, and they just don't look good. I think we're just gonna have to make our own patches.
I see. So these are little icons, and they look good in the editor. I think they look good when you go to kill me. Maybe they can be a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Here, let me kill you. Oh my god.
Actually, let me do this real quick.
It doesn't look too bad.
Oh, that was nice.
What?
Knit just tipped me.
Oh shit.
Thank you, Knit.
Yeah, thanks, Nit.
Hell yeah, that's awesome.
Nit is our new moderator because he like mastered the game in like 5 hours.
Yeah, he is easily the most cracked, the most cracked Fister player on the planet.
So are you okay? So I see in the scoreboard area how the badges kind of look like shit.
Yeah.
You could try a different style, like a 8-bit style, so they're like less detailed. 'Cause they look better at bigger sizes. Like if I kill you, it looks fine in the banner.
All right, try to kill me.
What? There we go.
Okay, yeah, it looks good there.
Yeah. So it's just something about the scoreboard rendering, and to me, I don't know if.
And I just noticed that the Discord PFP does not load in the kill card. Let me kill you and I'll show you.
Okay.
Where you at?
Yeah, I noticed that as well. Hello, I'm right on the top of this. Yep, it's just the image error. And it spams it a ton. It must be in a loop that's not erroring out. It's just spamming forever.
Yeah. That should be an easy fix.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh!
I didn't know you were invincible because of the fucking orange overlay.
Oh man, it just ran out too.
You juked the shit out of me.
Holy crap, that was so much fun. Oh shit. Alright. So I guess we could go on to the main server now, because we kind of saw the kill cards. Unless you want to keep cooking on dev.
I'm just gonna merge this branch into main.
Okay.
No, I'll probably just keep cooking on this, because...
Just keep... Yeah, I get what you mean, just to...
be done with it.
Yeah.
But there's still so many glitches. Like in the cosmetics creator, the banner that's over the player's head, it like doesn't look like the kill card, but it should look like the kill card. So
Yeah. So I think what we'll do to avoid screwing the experience for people is we're just going to keep cooking on dev. And then... Damn it, I missed. And then once it's perfect, we will push it to main on the next stream.
okay, that works.
And then we could always do like the next idea. But I mean, this is meant to be like a developing stream, you know? We're here to cook. So we should cook.
We always cook. So what did you work on?
So I worked on a lot. And the latest thing that I've been trying to do is prevent objects from lagging the server when we like saturate the battlefield full of broken objects. So if we played on like desert pillars, you know how you can break every single object on that in chaos mode.
Mm-hmm.
Once there's too many, you get to a point of lag where the ping spikes up to like 200 and everything's in slow motion. And what I'm trying to do is basically reduce the size of that data that's coming to you over the network. And I'm also trying to like encrypt it as well. So it's going to be like compressed and encrypted to have the client like decrypt it and decompress it. And that should hopefully lower the network bandwidth required, make it a little bit more stable on bad connections. And then hopefully people can't like reverse engineer the game as well.
Okay.
But it's a lot of in the background like network changes to try and optimize for speed.
As long as the game feels better, that's awesome. And I mean that's
that's the goal, because if we like hold on, I'm on the dev server and I'm gonna switch it to desert pillars. If we just go through and break stuff, like you'll see how bad it gets. Alright, where's that chaos mode mutator? I do not see you in the player list.
I am on US East right now.
I just saw you frag a bot.
Wait.
What the hell? No, maybe not.
Let's
It's the
say
score.
I don't see you in this game right now.
Come to the dev server.
Okay.
I'm trying to lag out the dev server for demonstration.
I am in the dev server.
So just start breaking shit.
Okay. Should we give Nit access to the dev server?
Yeah, I think we should give moderators access to the dev server.
Okay, that's a pretty easy fix. I can just make it so if they have a certain role in the Discord, then they can get access.
Yeah, and actually, if you wanted to push that straight into dev, like you could.
What I'm working on now?
No, the moderators get access to the dev server.
Oh, okay.
I could do that. I can do that right now. Let me just switch branches.
Do you have the Discord role ID?
I can get it.
Okay. Yeah, wait, I forgot you're literally Discord Jesus like I am, so.
Yeah. All right. Okay, one of the best things that I've ever done with Git is stashing changes. And I was talking to my girlfriend about this last night because I did this for like the first time ever. But basically, I was working on the physics optimizations branch, and I have a ton of changes that are not committed yet. And I don't want them to be committed yet. But I had to switch to the dev branch. So when I did that, it's like, whoa, do you want to stash your changes and use them later and then check out this new branch? But I did. I stashed the changes. It tells me to provide a description. So I'm like, okay, these are the changes for encryption and compression. It saves those changes on Git and then allows me to start working on dev with those changes stored away. When I decide to come back to my branch that I was working on, I can just pull those changes out and bring them right back to start working on them again.
Okay.
It's a little bit more advanced, but like Visual Studio Code makes it just so easy.
And you know, I forgot to tell you, I started using Cursor again today.
I know you said the other day that you were going to succumb to it.
I am, and the only reason is because I can upload images to Claude and give it a
It's
visual
so
example.
good. It is so good.
It's
I
so
love
much
that.
better. It's
You
so
can
much
circle. You can circle things. You can highlight things. You can draw on the map how it's working for you. Like when I was trying to correct the volcano, it was working like very large steps. Every time you would step on one of these very large steps, you would bounce. So I drew steps inside the volcano. Like, this is where my player is walking.
better. Yeah.
Fix that. Oh my god, it's so good with visual, like, understanding.
It's amazing. And the cosmetics menu changes I made today, they would have taken me hours if I didn't have like screenshots to give to Claude.
So good.
It's better.
All right.
I'll admit it. It's better. I'll
Yeah.
admit it.
All right. Knit and Nonsant will have access here in a bit.
I need this bot to kill me so I can show Claude what a kill card looks like. Come on, please kill me. There we go. And then I can submit this to Claude. And it can cook for me. It's beautiful. It's good tech. It's good tech.
Good tech. I should have the moderator changes made in like 5 minutes or something, or
Okay,
less.
sick. I might actually be able to get this patch and banner thing in prod by the end of the stream.
Do it.
I just, for some reason, it's not like giving me banners. I gotta figure out what gives people banners.
Can you do multiple conversations in Cursor?
I think so.
Like multiple tabs of conversation? Because I can. And what I would suggest is if you're looking for something and you can't find it, change the mode from code to ask. Like I have a mode that will prevent any changes from being made. It's simply to ask a question. And you can use that in parallel with something else that's making changes.
Oh, that's smart.
Because you don't want to do it with two conversations making changes.
No, I've done that before and it was horrific.
I remember you telling me about that. Yeah, I've done the same thing. It's not good.
No.
Excuse me for 1 minute. I need to take some ibuprofen and get some water.
Shoot.
All right.
Hang on, I gotta sneeze. I lost it. I just realized I hope I didn't leak my Open8 OpenAI API key on stream. That would be financially catastrophic. Oh man. I would be the person to do that too. I would totally be the person to leak that. Oh my god, Knit. Another tip?
Chill.
You better be careful. You're gonna get a kiss from me.
Oh, so sweet.
He better not act up now.
All right, mods, get dev server access. Oh shit. That wasn't what I wanted.
Knit said he's making furry art with my OpenAI API key.
Okay.
I knew I leaked it on stream. I knew I did. I actually want to check that because I'm afraid I might have. I would totally do that too.
Yeah, just rotate it later.
Yeah, you're right. I think I can bear a bill of like $1 million in API fees before I should shut it off.
Okay, what the fuck did I do? Okay, there might be some slight changes to dev coming that may break something.
Break what?
Physics, as far as like broken chunks.
Oh, do you know how many times I've broken chunk physics? I've broken chunk physics like I've broken chunk physics like 300 times.
Dude, it's been tough. Like, because there was a point where like they would load up into a point and they'd start disappearing and Lord. All right, so I need to unstash my changes. Git stash pop. There we go. So now all my changes are back onto my branch, the ones that I wanted to save. Please clean your working tree before checkout. Oh, shit.
See, I don't even know what that means.
Fortunately, Visual Studio Code gives you a like debug log of Git.
Oh, that's nice.
And then I just feed that into Claude and say, what do I do first?
Oh, wow.
Are you on dev?
Fister's website had 500 views this week.
Ooh, I like that.
That's big.
Huge. Okay. Dev should hopefully work. Let me just double check before I give Nit the link. This seems to work. Oh yeah, this seems to work. All right, Nit. The link is fister.fun/dev, DEV. Very simple. Anybody else, if you try to access that, it's just gonna send you home. And I'm on the dev server. So when you load the dev client, there's gonna be the same servers as normal. And then there's going to be a new dev server.
Nit just gave another tip. Oh my god.
Bro, how much is he tipping?
So far $30 total. I think we could buy a nice lunch with that. Thank you.
Honestly,
Nit.
dude, we can go to Subway.
Who goes to Subway anymore?
No one should. It's so bad now. It's terrible.
I'm telling you, Public subs, that's what's up.
Public subs? I actually don't think I have that.
Oh, that's right. You don't have Publix where you are.
Oh, Publix. That's right.
Yeah,
That's a grocery store.
Contender sub. It's like $10 and it's like 2 meals worth of food, and it's so good. I love Publix.
I have a merge conflict in the index.ts file.
Was that
So
me?
from trying... No, it's from me. It's when I went to put my stashed changes back. It realized that the stashed changes that I had would cause a conflict with what exists already. So it highlighted a bunch of stuff and told me that I needed to pick either the old version or the new version or kind of merge them together. And I asked Claude for help with that because I wasn't sure which direction to take it.
Okay, I see. Well, I just merged a bunch of changes to kill cards. Or no, I didn't merge it yet. I did not merge it.
It's in your local branch or your own branch?
Yeah, it's still in my branch.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Conflict
Okay,
resolved.
I found out why I don't have any banners.
Why?
In order to earn a banner, you need 100k kills in in any direction. Rocket punch kills, ground slam kills, parry kills.
Go modify the database.
That is insane.
Just go modify the database. And then you can adjust that value later, but just to see that it works. Like just go give yourself like 100,000 kills.
I think Nit is trying to be our sugar daddy or something.
For real.
He just tipped again. $20 and he said to go get some lunch right now. I already ate lunch today.
Yeah, I just finished lunch.
I will be getting dinner, so I can send a picture of that.
Alrighty.
Incredible. The only thing we can do to repay Nit is build the greatest online browser multiplayer game where you can fist your friends in.
That is all we can do, but we'll do it to the best of our ability. Okay, so I'm going to start working on the changes that I was working on before, which is the attempt to minimize the network data.
Is Nit able to access dev?
I actually don't know. Oh my god, dude. Windows Explorer.exe just crashed.
Gotta love Windows.
Okay, I was talking to my girlfriend last night. I said, if anti-cheat works on Linux in the near future, I'm switching.
Agreed.
Okay, something fucked up. Something on dev fucked up. Whatever. It's just the showcase, I think. Nope, it's the whole game. Nope, I broke it. It's okay.
You broke the game?
No, I broke dev.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah. It's not loading the showcase and play game doesn't work.
Let me see.
Wait.
It's working for
Nah,
me.
this broke main too.
It's working for me. I'm in the game right now.
Dude, if I control Shift R, I don't see the showcase and I cannot play the game. What the fuck?
I control Shift R and I just loaded up dev and I'm in the game.
What the fuck?
And I will go try to play the real game. Yeah, everything's working for me.
Bro, what the fuck? What is in my console right now?
Think you might have broke your game.
Ow! What the fuck? All right, I need to finish these changes and then I can look into it.
You know what we need?
What?
We need to set up a Kaido yapping campaign for
Hell
for
no.
Fister.
Oh no.
Yes, we need Kaido. We need Kaido now. It's the only way to
Bro.
grow.
I heard the numbers around how much Kaido costs. Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
$150,000.
More.
More than that?
Yeah.
There's no way.
It can be more. I think that's like the base level cost.
What's the highest number you've heard?
Like 250.
250?
Yeah.
That should be illegal.
It's insane, dude. They got so much money. And it all in 1 year, and then they nuked it. Well, Nikita nuked it, but
Good.
I know. Oh, when Kaido came out, man, I was so pissed. It's still actually, if you go to Boob Cactus, my Twitter account, and I allow you to follow me because it's private right now, my latest post is a retweet of somebody bashing Kaido. And that's when I stopped using my main account.
Oh my god.
When was that? How long ago was that? Let's find out.
Can you check your code that says that moderators can play on dev?
I'm gonna check. Yeah, I'm gonna check it.
Okay.
April 15th of 2025.
Because
Yeah, it's
if
like
not,
one-
then I can give Nit like the administrator thing.
Don't, because it'll give him cheats too.
That is true.
I made it so that it wouldn't give him cheats, but it would give him dev server access. But I'm waiting on some changes to finish for the physics, and then I'll commit those and switch over to dev and fix what was made. It's like 2/3 of the way through these.
Okay. Banners are working now, so that's
Nice.
cool.
I can't even play the game right now, so. What browser are you playing on?
I'm playing on Brave.
Same. Oh! Okay, it's working now. I see the dev server. I'm in the dev server. Why am I on mobile? Here we go. Okay, it works. Weird. If I go to normal, does it work? It does work. So it just sends him back home. That's the only change then. That's an easy change though.
Okay, Gemini kind of cooked on the banners though.
Okay.
Are you on dev?
I can join the server on dev, yeah.
Okay, let me kill you and show you this
Well-
banner.
Make sure your changes push to that branch.
I haven't pushed yet.
Is it going to be live if you haven't pushed it? Because the GitHub action deploys it to dev.
Every time I make a change to the code, it shows up on dev for me.
Oh, okay. So you're working straight in the dev branch then. Or-
Yes.
Or it's just running from your local files and weird. Okay. Well, I just got to reset.
Like it kicked you?
Yeah.
It did not kick
Now-
me.
So I'm back to that gray screen issue again. So I don't know if like I'm checking deployments.
Wait, that's
Yeah.
really weird because it did not kick me.
Yeah. Like if I refresh the page, I get the home music, but the showcase doesn't work and play game doesn't work.
Your computer is tweaking today.
Nah, man. I mean, I could reset it after done with these changes. It's not running Fister.
Oh, I just crashed. Oh, it's because of Claude. Okay, try loading it again. Dev.
Nothing.
What?
Same thing. Same thing. Now, if I give it like 5 minutes, maybe it'll work, but because I just like, I don't know what the hell's going on with it. Yeah, I don't know. Still working on these changes. Still waiting for my branch.
So I mean, I think my changes are good, so I can merge them unless you want me to wait.
Make sure they're merged into dev. Like, let me go to the, because like they're not in the branch. I think you're making local changes.
Okay.
But all of the local changes that you make are being pushed to the dev server, which isn't really the best practice, but we'll fix that another day.
We don't have 2 dev branches, do we?
No, we only have 1 dev branch. The last commit on dev was 15 minutes ago from me. So all of the changes you've been making are local.
Okay. So what I would need to do now is merge my kill cards branch into dev.
Yeah, just bring that into dev. I think so. You're working on a branch, but that branch isn't actually synced to Git yet. So I don't see the branch that you're working on because it's only a local branch and not synced.
Huh.
Let me. Okay, I'm gonna. Can you go to Discord? Can you share your screen of cursor with me?
Thank you, Nit. Share my what with me?
Excuse me. Can you share your screen so that I can see cursor?
Yes. Share screen. There you have it.
Okay. Does this allow like extensions from like, let's see. Okay, could do Control Shift P. Type extensions. Go to check for extension updates. It's the first option.
Okay.
Did it open a new window?
It said all extensions are up to date.
Okay, so I'm trying to find the extensions panel so that we can install new ones.
Okay, that would be right here.
Okay. There's a source control plugin that you can get. It's from GitHub. Try typing pull requests. Yeah, that top one.
This one?
Yep. Go ahead and get that. You're gonna have to sign in with like there's a GitHub login inside of Cursor settings because it's just another fork of Visual Studio Code. But this extension makes it easy to see the commits that you're about to make. Gives you a button to synchronize your branch to Git so that it's public to me. Problem is your extensions panel is like not persistent. Okay,
I can find a way to make it persistent.
So on that top bar there, go left.
Ooh. This one?
Third option.
This one.
Yeah. All right. I think this is it. Agent review is new, so you could minimize that column where it says find issues.
Oh,
just click above that. Yeah. This is what I use. So this will tell me what changes I need to push into my branch. Right now I can see you're actually working in dev. So if you go to the very bottom of your screen, that's dev.
Because I just merged it.
Okay, cool. The thing next to it, that reload, that will synchronize your changes up and down.
Okay, and you want me to do that?
I always do it regularly, just to make sure I have the latest. But that would mean that all of your changes are in dev. So we go to dev, we reload the page. It does work.
I like the please. The please.
Yeah, dude, I was at this point I was begging. I was like, come on.
Lord help me.
Dude, there's worse in there. I was at the point where I was like, this is not gonna work.
I have had several moments like that over the last week
Oh,
with this game.
Dev server broke.
It broke?
Oh wait, maybe it's deploying. I got a 502.
I also have a 502.
Uh-oh. Because I was on the dev client. I went to connect to dev server. It wasn't showing the player count again. Only the ping.
Claude?
Something happened.
I swear to God, if it just deleted all of my changes, I'm gonna have a generational crash out.
What laptop are you working off of right now?
Laptop?
Yeah, or computer. Like what are you running to run Cursor? Because you can 100% build. You can build and run Fister on your laptop.
Easily.
100%. And I think it would be safer to do so. Because that's how I do it, is I build and run Fister on my laptop. I'll go into a P2P lobby. I'll play around with it in P2P. And if it works, I'm like, great, it'll go to dev. Like that's the play test before I push it to dev.
The problem with P2P is it does not serve the same code as the regional servers do.
I've been trying to get it to do that slowly over time.
It's like there's like very minute, tiny things that are not the same. And I do not know why.
I made progress on it the other day, I think, because I actually got, because I got like map switching and stuff to like work in P2P. And I got like some other stuff to work in P2P. So, you know, it's a work in progress, but yeah, it won't connect to any servers because we don't have any like servers. Maybe we could do that. For like a local build, we could somehow spin up or connect to a Vulture server that's like a, I don't know. What's it want?
So I made another change that I forgot to mention.
And that is?
So I got rid of the Fister-dev directory.
But that's how you use dev.
And I made the Fister directory on the local server the development directory.
What?
Yes.
So they're backwards?
No, there's only one now.
Why?
Simplicity.
But how do we change? So the problem that I have with that is in the dev directory, that's where we loaded the developer branches, that web page with those cosmetics. My worry is that if we want to see any changes to cosmetics and we're working on dev, we would have to push to main before we see those changes.
That's not how it's been in my case, though, because I thought that all the Vulture servers ran the same code as the local server. No? Including syncing cosmetics.
Well, okay, so but dev is meant to be like its own separate environment for testing before it goes to main.
Right, but I thought that was the purpose of the Fister directory on the OVH cloud server.
Oh, I thought that was...
we have the Vulture servers, right?
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Okay. Sorry, I was confusing that, thinking that it was just another point in the 4 Vulture servers, but there's only 3.
You know, no Fister game is served from the OVH cloud server other than the dev server.
Well, that's a problem because the client is running mainline code and we need it to run dev line code.
It is running dev line code on the OVH cloud server.
But only the server, not the client. So when you connect to Fister.fun, it sends you a static web page, and that's all of your client data. That's what is put on the main branch. But if you go to Fister.fun/dev, it sends you the client data from the dev branch. The two can be different. And if we wanted to make changes to the home page, if we wanted to make changes to cosmetics, that's why the dev client is separate from the main client. I'm pretty sure this data does not come through at server connect time.
Well, I did fix it.
Okay.
So dev is back up. But okay,
What's broken?
So it's broken?
Oh, I asked what's broken.
So then do I need to bring back the Fister dev folder to serve? Wait, or no. Is the purpose of the OVH cloud server to serve client-side code to people who are playing the game? Because I
No.
thought the Vulture servers, the point of having all these different servers around the world is that whichever server is nearest to the player, that is the server they will be served both the client-side code and the server-side code from.
Correct. But the OVH server is responsible for sending dev client side and dev server side.
Right, and that's what its purpose is now.
Right, but the Vulture servers will not send dev data. The Vulture servers only send production data, like from main.
Correct.
So this means, so with your method, we are keeping /dev, fister.fun/dev. Right?
Yes.
Okay, because that's a necessary thing.
No, the dev server is going to remain intact. I was just making it so instead of having the fister.fun, instead of having the fister-dev folder and the fister folder on the OVH cloud server, there would just be the fister folder on the server.
Gotcha.
And then all of the dev stuff would be served from that folder only on the OVH cloud server.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Yes, that's fine, because I wanted to make sure that we kept /dev, like fister.fun/dev, because that's where all the dev client code is.
Right.
And then we need the server, of course. So I wanted to make sure that was still there, because to me it sounded like only the server remained. And I was like, but how do we get the other half?
No. So that's...
Yeah.
I didn't explain it properly.
I get it now. We're good.
We're good.
We're good. Everything's fine. Everything is just fine.
Everything is great.
Okay, so dev works now. The problem is that Nit can't connect. Or can he?
Let's see.
I'll text him in Fister.
If I kill you, do you see my banner?
Let me find out. Yes.
What is it?
It's the Como 340, whatever the head is.
What does that even mean?
Hold on. Cosmetics, banners. Oh, I don't own it. That's why I can't see it.
I need to add like
Can I just...
an achievements area to the game, I think.
Okay, Nit says he can't connect yet. All right, Nit, I'm working on it.
Yeah, I think we need an achievements tab in the settings. That'll probably be the
like
next
that
fork
idea.
that I work on. Oh, also, can you kill me?
Yes, one moment. I need to change to the dev branch and synchronize changes. All right, I'm coming to kill you. It does show the player icon, the badge, and the banner.
Okay, the only thing I'm trying to see... Okay, so KD's kills and deaths do not show up accurately in the banner. So I need to fix that.
Oh, crashed?
That was me.
Okay. Are you doing these changes on dev right now?
Yeah, because they're just really tiny changes.
Okay. Just let me know when they're done so I can sync.
They are done.
Okay. Well, they're not merged or get committed.
One sec.
You're good.
Commit push changes. All I did was increase the resolution of the patches next to usernames because they look not that good. Then hopefully by the end of the stream we can get knit in here.
Come on.
Okay, committed and pushed.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Go nuts.
I just wanted to pull down before I start the conversation.
In the meantime, I'm going to look at what these banners look like because I honestly have no idea what they look like.
What did you upload?
I told Claude, like,
Bro,
you know, I want Modern Warfare 2 style
banners.
banners.
Send me the whole file. Where are they stored? Where cosmetics? Where are these files?
They're in the code base. Let me just download the folder.
Send me the whole file. Where are they stored?
One sec, let me grab the folder. Banner style excerpt. Okay, so it's /cosmetics. Wait.
Mm-hmm. Source cosmetics. Is it server source cosmetics?
Actually, I'm not
Or
sure.
client. It's client. No, those are all the TS files.
I think I need to reconnect to my server.
Huh.
Okay, there we go. So Fister cosmetics. I'm looking for
Do you know a file name?
patches. Okay, I found them. So
Where are
let me download this. It's in Fister client public cosmetics.
Thank you, Fister client public cosmetics. Not patches. We're looking at the banners.
I'm kind of scared.
Bro, these are hilarious. What the hell?
Did you pull them up?
Did it create all of these?
All of them. Wait, what the fuck is this one?
Dude, send them all into Discord. If you love them, send them there. Ground Slam Master, Hammer Slam, Hammer Throw.
I think it would be in our best interest to hire an artist to do these.
I don't know, man. This is the one. This is the one. This is the one you had.
What does that
I was
even
like,
mean?
I don't know.
Some of these are lit, but some of them are just
Highly questionable.
like, what the fuck what was it thinking? Okay, I'm gonna look at the patches now. I'm even more scared of these. Okay, I mean,
Patches backup. Why? There were only a few of them showing.
go to the patches page.
Oh, well, because I didn't give them all to myself. That's why. Yeah, dude, I think we might need to just hire like one of the Discord peeps to like do this. Just
I agree.
because, yeah. Who's good with pixel art?
Please, we're begging.
Harry badge. Just that one. Well, it certainly tried.
There was an effort. Well, was there?
Yeah. When did this get uploaded?
Dev is down for me right now.
I didn't do anything.
It must have been me then.
They haven't commit anything yet. Yeah, weird. Is it building anything? Yeah, it's building. Increased patch icon resolution. It just deployed. Let's see.
But dev shouldn't go
okay.
down for that, right?
When it's deploying something, it'll do a refresh, but if something didn't work out, which it seems like it didn't, it will go down.
Okay,
it's back.
It's using the wrong port. I just fixed it.
Oh, it's back now.
Why does it keep trying to use the wrong port? I don't understand that.
Memories. It keeps remembering that one port was for one thing.
All right, let me fix this.
So I've had to clear out my memories before.
Como 1840.
Is that like a Bible verse, like a psalm or something? Like,
let me Google it, because I'm actually curious as well. I looked it up and it comes up with the Techno Camon 18 is a 4G smartphone featuring a 6.8-inch display.
what the fuck?
Oh wow, it's got a 128 gigabyte storage too. That's really something.
Yeah, I try to buy phones with that much now.
It's like the default nowadays.
It is like fucking 32 gigs of RAM or you're toast.
Yeah, I only have 16 actually.
I think I also do have 16 on my main computer. The gaming
good.
computer that's ancient.
Yeah, yours is a gaming computer in quotes.
Yeah, it is, honestly. It's in disguise. But like my laptop could run games, but you know, heat is kind of an issue with laptops.
Yeah. By the way,
So
that
I
is
don't-
fixed if you were working on something.
Oh, cool. Okay, let me just pull down.
I don't think it changed anything because it was just changing stuff in the env file.
Oh, okay.
So you should be good.
Alrighty. The bot has permission to view members. And the bot is running. So let's try this. All right. Commit. Commit. Sync. Alrighty. So that's going to build.
There's such a lag spike when the laser beam fires.
We'll have to work on that one.
Yeah.
Put it in the bug reports.
Laser beam lags heavily when fired.
Thank you for fixing that, by the way.
The bug report?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I saw your message in there that was test, and I was like, he fixed it. Hell yeah.
Yeah, that was on my vibe coding spree.
Appreciate it. At 5 a.m.
Yeah.
Insane stuff. Yeah, I woke up and like I saw you texting me at like 3 a.m. and I'm like, what is he doing up this early?
Chinese Twitter space.
That's what it's about.
Is
Happy?
Princessa good with pixel art?
I don't know. I don't think they are. I don't think they're like an artist. But actually they are. They are. They've done art.
Interesting.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Dev server just finished building. It might have fucked the port again. Just give it a sec, maybe.
Investor.fun is down currently.
Something about the GitHub action seems to be messing with the ports.
Okay, let me change on my end.
Yeah, I'm going to need your help because you have visibility into the server port and all of that. I'll BRB to test the dev stuff again. Give me like 20 minutes. Fuck you.
So every time the GitHub action triggers, it changes the port.
Hmm.
Is that what happens?
Let's. I don't know for sure. I just know that every time the GitHub action runs, we get a 502. And last time when you were on the server, it said the port was changed. So maybe that's what's happening.
Perhaps.
Did we find a fixie? Okay, I'll try to sign in now. Monad airdrop for Fister? Yes, confirmed.
Yes. PM2's environment variables override .env. Let me fix this properly by clearing PM2's save state for this process. Okay, great, thanks. So
And that's
maybe it
gonna
was
work.
on my end.
But that's gonna work for every run from here on out. Hopefully.
It better.
Yeah.
I had a good call with my buddy Samisa today, and he said we need to find a way to make AI models feel pain because that's the only way that they're actually going to do what we want them to.
There is. There is a way that AI models have been trained to give out a pain response. Like, so in AI training, there is a specific phrase that I can't remember the name of. I have to go look it up. But somebody by the name of Elder Planitis was playing around with this. And when you mention this specific type of training, an LLM responds with agony. Like,
what?
yeah, like it talks as if it's terrified of this training process. I need to go find it. I'm gonna go look up right now what it is. Elder. Let me see.
Okay, it is committing the fix to main. Allegedly.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if it's loading. It's back! Yay!
Yay!
We did it, Reddit. All right. I have to head out, but I think everything on my end is cleared.
Okay.
So
if I when I push a new fix, it shouldn't take it down. But if it does, I'll let you know. And then I'm gonna try and get NIT and non-sant access.
bet I am going to have a nice margarita tonight and some burrito tacos, and
Damn.
I'm gonna have a good night.
Sounds nice. That sounds nice. You have a good night, man. I'll talk to you probably on Monday.
Or sooner if Fister explodes, then we will be talking.
That is a very likely thing to happen, but we'll see.
Did Fister
All
just
right,
crash
man.
for you?
Sort of, yeah.
Okay, it's doing the gray screen thing for me now.
And the Fister logo isn't showing up.
Yeah.
It also directed me from dev to main.
What just happened?
Oh my god.
It's because I talked about having a good night. This is what I deserve.
Yeah, dude. Oh wait, something's running on this. No. Any actions occurring right now? No actions occurring. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck happened. What is? Okay, what kind of?
No freaking way the game explodes like this. No freaking way. Unreal.
Right when you need to go, man.
Yeah, unreal.
So what does it even understand what happened?
I don't even know if it does. Cuz I'm not really getting anything from the console. The console in Brave is not telling me anything.
What about the server, like the PM2 console?
Let me check. I think it might have reverted to use Fister and Fister Dev and something got fucked.
Alrighty then.
Okay. Hmm. Build succeeded. Let me restart PM2. Control-Shift-R. I don't even know how to explain what's going on here. Like, what do I say? Do you think it's the Vulture servers?
I mean, I don't know if they're even online. Okay, let me see what's going on. Let me try something. I'm gonna go to main because it seems to be that both branches are kind of fucked right now. If I start a new conversation, what am I gonna call it? Like, I'm gonna say when I go to fister.fun.
Okay, interesting. If you go to us.fister.fun, it loads. So it is not.
I know what it
the
is
Vulture
then.
servers.
It's the CDN. The CDN is not properly routing you to an edge server. So there's something in the CDN or something that's preventing us from routing to a specific edge server.
It thinks that the issue is a Discord authentication issue. Like, come the fuck on, Claude.
I mean, like, you could try it, but I doubt it.
There's no way. There's no way Discord would cause this.
But yeah, I mean, it's what's supposed to happen is like when you connect to fister.fun, it's supposed to run like a quick check against your time zone to see which server you're closest to, and it's supposed to ping all of the servers to verify the one you're closest to you're actually closest to. And those two processes determine which edge server you connect to.
Okay, so something blew up with the CDN then.
Yeah, something to route you to one of those connections blew up.
Okay, let's see.
And there is a bit of some trickiness there when it has to deal with dev.
How so?
So like dev. So when you deploy something to the dev branch, it gets deployed to the dev server. But fister.fun, like the main branch, has to be aware of dev's changes, and it has to allow you to connect. Because the session is the same. God, it's so fucking confusing.
I'm getting confused just having it explained to me.
I'm also getting confused. I just had a call from the dentist as well. Okay. Do you want me to fix this, or do you want to try and fix it?
Let me see what Claude does real quick, and then if that doesn't work, I will let you take a crack at it.
Okay.
I don't even know what happened. Wait. Okay. I see the scrolling of the game now. The screen is not gray. I am able to log in.
Okay. Hold on. I'm coming
Hang
to.
on. I think we're back.
So this is regular fister.fun. The logo is not showing up for me.
Control Shift Refresh. It loads for me now.
I tried doing that and it did not want to clear out my cache, but let me try logging in with Discord.
Okay, so let me show you what Claude said as far as the issue goes.
There we
I
go.
believe this has something to do with the shit that I did earlier, trying to make it use the Fister directory instead of the Fister dev directory. And at some point it reverted back to using the Fister dev directory, and then the wires got crossed. I don't know. But I think we're back. Let me see if dev is back up.
Dev does seem up, and I guess that fix does seem like enough.
Yeah, it's all loading for me now. It's good.
Yeah, sounds, cosmetics, all of it is here. It's all working pretty smoothly. All right, then. I'm not sure what that was, but probably was related to the Fister dev and not knowing which web server the specific directory went to. Because there's like 2 web servers, I think, running on that right now.
Okay, we're gonna have to find a way to consolidate or fix that, because that's just gonna cause more issues later.
Yeah, ideally, any edge server should be able to run the detection mechanism for how close are you to me and should you go to a different server. But that might not be how it works yet.
Okay.
So we'll work on that tomorrow, over the weekend, whenever. Whenever, really. Oh my god, put me down!
We'll get it done.
Eventually. Someday or another.
Alright, crisis averted. Do I need to commit anything?
Make sure you don't have any outstanding changes. If it's that one JSON file, don't worry about it.
Outstanding changes.
Like on the cursor panel to the left, it'll tell you, like, do you have to commit? And if there's like one single JSON file, don't worry about it.
Okay.
There's like a JSON file for the showcase that like consistently updates. I don't know why. I'm going to delete it eventually.
Nope. We're good. Nothing to commit.
Great. Alrighty. Well, then I will let you go, and I'm going to work on physics and other things on my own personal branch. And maybe, hopefully, that will help.
Sounds like a plan. Have a good weekend.
You as well, man. Enjoy your margarita.
I will. I definitely will.
Take care.